Hello.
I'm gay.
So I have received multiple comments on multiple platforms asking me, hey Spud, how do you do the Minos Prime voice? Excuse me, Mr. Spuddington, sir. Well, how the heck do you do the funny faceless man voice effect? Hey McSpuddington, why are you so incredibly handsome? You handsome little devil, you. Wow, I start twiddling my hair. I'm like, oh wow, oh good. Hello. To answer the last one, thank you very much. It's part of my genes. And to answer the Minos Prime questions, it's very simple. I will show you. Okay, so we're in Audacity. Let's say you want to make him say something like, I don't know, apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. Oh, that is a very 90-degree angle on that. So we have that. Take a listen. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. You may have noticed there's a little bit of a that's noise. We don't want that. Get that shit off my plate. I didn't ask for this. Waiter, there's noise in my recording. Okay, so to get rid of that, select it, go to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and Noise Gate. Not noise reduction, noise gate. These are just the default settings. I don't really know much about what to do here, but like the default settings are perfectly fine. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. See? Sounds loads better. Sounds crisp. Sounds like a Walker's Crisp. Salt and vinegar flavored, the goated flavored, not that prawn cocktail shit. Once we've done that, we want to copy this. Control C, Control V it. Got two of the same tracks here. See? Look at that. This bottom one, we want to go back into effect. We want to go into pitch, and we want to turn that down by -50. That is like loads deeper. Okay, we've pitched it down, as you can hear. Apple bottom jeans. But we're not done yet. We've got one more teeny tiny little thing to do to this track. We want to go back into effect, and we want to go into filters. Low pass filter. Okay. Select the bottom one. Effect, filters, low pass filter. You want it so the settings are 1000 for the frequency, and for the roll off, you want that to be 12 decibel. Want to click apply. Turn that down. I usually turn it to about -8, -9. Then once that's all done, highlight it all. Tracks, mix, render. All right, so we've pitched it down. We've put the low pass filter on it. We've merged it together. You think we're done? I laugh at you, you naive little bastard. Look at you, you silly sausage. No, we're not done yet. We've got one more thing to add though. Another track. Copy and paste that track into the bottom one. Effect. Pitch and tempo, I believe. Yes. All stretch. You want the stretch factor to be 1.0 and the time resolution, the bottom one, to be 0.2. Apply that. One more thing and we're done. We want to turn that down to about 9 or 8 again. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. There you go. Now, for a general cleanup, what I like to do, mix it all into one track again, normalize it to get it as loud as it can be without bursting your eardrums. Then I compress it to get all the sound waves in the same sort of area. Hello, Future Spud here, telling you to also normalize after the initial compression. I don't know how past Spud forgot to tell you that. He's just that silly of a sausage. And there you have it. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. Don't you scratch my pillow. You bastard! There it is. There's how to get your very own McSpuddington approved Minos Prime voice filter. I hope this has been very helpful. Subscribe for Ultra Radio and The Gap, and also Incorrect Character Quotes. And hit that bell. Hit that motherfucking subscribe button with a baseball, that a really hard like, metal one. Hit it. Smash it. Smash that motherfucking like button. What am I talking about?